Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can secretly store private note secure with a PIN or password on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, you want to go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then go down and tap on Samsung Pass. Next, you need to sign in with your password or PIN or biometric security. And then tap on Notes in the private info section. Tap on the Notes button. And here you can give the note a title. For example, so password to the Gmail, and then in a note you can write whatever it is, and then tap on save. Now you can also have multiple line notes, so not just a one line thing. You can write a long note and then tap on save, and that's it. So you can also delete notes, you can add more notes. Now these notes are saved in your Samsung Pass, so without a PIN or password, no one else could access this information except you. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Now, if you really need some advanced features in saving a note, such as be able to create a note and store additional information such as pictures or photos or videos, then the best way to do it is to store them in a secure folder. Now, secure folder is another separate app that you need to install. It's already in your device. You just need to activate it. So in settings and in biometrics and security, there is an option called secure folder. In here, you can also activate the secure folder, and then you can add in additional notes. And there's a lot of other apps that can be stored within the secure folder. It is secure. It is password protected or PIN protected, so no one else can access your secure folder except you. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video.